Okay, how is everybody doing? Today I will take a look on silver first of all, because earlier today I've had a pending order. That setup was invalidated, and right now I look for a potential new long. I will talk about US oil because my position in US oil runs in profit right now, and I believe that the US crude oil inventory. So right now 115 pips in profit, a really great and a strong upside movement here in US oil. And let's refresh the economic calendar as well. So first of all, don't forget to read the disclaimer. It's important to understand that trading is risky, that the past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. So yeah, it's important to understand that trading is risky, and don't forget that the only way to communicate with Learn to Trade is if you send an email to support. Okay, thank you guys. So please read it. Please understand the read disclaimer. So let's refresh the economic calendar, and because we have the crude oil inventories. Yeah, gap down. Let's take a look. Yeah, unfortunately, crude oil, this economic calendar, this economic indicator came in the positive territory, in the positive territory. So right now. Also, guys, if you have questions, I'm waiting for your messages in that YouTube chat. So right now, sharp movements, and probably I will. Yeah, it has found support here right now, but unfortunately. This is worse than expected data for the price of oil, because the indicator came in the positive territory. So this could force the US oil to drop. Okay, this could force the US oil to drop. But yeah, let's wait, because right now we have high volatility. Yeah, probably one moment, because I will maybe I will manage my my position in US oil. I will manage my position in US oil, and yeah, maybe. Yeah, personally, I will move my my stop loss in US oil. One moment. Moving my stop loss in US oil at 80 psychological level, maybe. Yeah. Okay, so if you are a VIP member, personally I've managed my my remaining 30% in US oil. One moment, because I have to. So 80. Yeah, so right now. So I've moved my stop loss from break even to 80.00 psychological level. I'm letting it ride for now. I don't want to close it right now. Yeah. Plus 83 more pips. Okay, here in my remaining. In my US oil. Okay, guys, if you have questions, that's why I wanted to go live right now. Closed it with nice profit. I mean, my trailing stop closed it. Okay, so now personally I've moved up only my my stop loss in my remaining 30% here at 80.00 psychological level. If the price reaches that level, yeah, I will win extra 83 pips on this market after taking profit, closing. I've closed it 70% at 80.22 for 105 or something like this here in US oil. So this was my strategy here today in US oil, and as I've said, I wanted to go live here only because we had also the crude oil inventories, and yeah, unfortunately the economic the indicator came in the positive territory. So that's why right now the price of US oil could drop. Yeah, so yeah, maybe I will close this window as well. Unemployment claims better than expected earlier today. Philly Fed manufacturing index better than expected. Building permits, yeah, worse than expected. Housing starts better than expected. So mixed US economic data. Okay, so yeah, right now my position in my remaining in US oil is still in profit, good profit. Also, yeah, medium line as dynamic resistance here, and yeah, it was a really good trade and setup here today. And okay, silver. That's because I want to talk about silver because I've had this pending order. Pending order today with an entry at 23.493, stop loss here at 23.325, take profit here 23.799. okay, and unfortunately the price failed here to stay above this former low 23.329 after escaping from this minor pattern, from this minor flag. So unfortunately this setup was invalidated. Okay, you can see that the price dropped below my potential stop loss without reaching my entry. Okay, so that's why I had to delete this pending order. Okay, yeah, maybe it would have been really good if the price would have stayed above my stop loss here, above 23.329. But right now, as I've said, I had to delete the pending order here in silver. Yeah, right now it's trading above the S1 here. So you already know from my thought process video, from my analysis, that the price reached a demand zone here. Okay, today. Okay, a demand zone, and here a first reaction, rebound, retest, breakout, okay, a new higher high, and that's why personally I wanted to catch a potential upside movement. Also, I've said that maybe this could represent a potential inverse head and shoulders, but right now the price retested the demand zone. Okay, retested the demand zone, and it has rallied. After this strong rally, maybe I would like the price to retreat a little, to drop a little, maybe to come back to test, retest maybe this area, this zone, maybe here or here, before I will look for potential longs. But yeah, I'm looking for potential longs. It remains to see if it will stay here above the broken levels, but personally I have supply zones, supply areas here, so that's why I would like the price to retreat, to come back, maybe to test, retest maybe this zone here, this area, before extending its growth. So right now, no, I don't want to buy it at market. Yeah, I will still I will keep an eye on this market. Let's take a look. DXY. Yeah, the dollar index continues to move somehow sideways. So right now, yeah, we have a supply, also former highest resistance 102.48. If the dollar index will come back down, if the dollar index will drop, then probably silver will extend its rally, its growth. So let's go back. Please, guys, if you have questions, maybe because this probably will be only a quick session. I'm looking for potential new trades here live, but yeah, if I don't have something really good, I'll wait. Yeah, it's risky to place buy at market or buy stop here, because where should I place my stop loss? Here now, unfortunately, now here only 1 2 3. Okay, it has found the resistance at the upper medium line, so that's why I would like to see sideways movement or a retreat before extending its growth. Yeah, here in silver. Okay, silver, US oil again. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's still up, it's still good, it's still valid, it's still in profit. Personally, I've moved my my stop loss in my remaining here at 80.00 psychological level, locking in or securing extra or plus 83 pips profit. Okay, after closing my 70% here in US oil for 105 pips, something like this. Really good rally. Okay, so let's take a look also on gold. Please, guys, questions? Don't you have questions? Okay, gold. And yeah, don't forget, guys, to like the video. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Gold. I will delete my drawings. Also here in gold, only a potential retreat could bring me something, because here I have a supply zone, and maybe here after reaching this zone, this area, maybe I will look for potential selling opportunities on lower time frames. Yeah, but right now it's premature. Yeah, demand zone here in gold, but yeah, on lower time frames it has already reached supply. No, I don't have something on gold, on the yellow metal. Yeah, it remains to see what will happen here with US oil, with my position, because I have a demand zone here, and personally I believe that new higher high. Okay, jumping, closing and stabilizing above 80.83, or actually also a value breakout above the medium line could really signal potential further growth, maybe towards my target, my take profit, because my take profit it's here at 81.96, guys, and for something like 279 pips profit and 3.52% growth or something here on this market. Okay, so DXY. Yeah, the dollar index retreats. If you don't have questions, guys. Yeah, I'm frustrated, guys, because in the early morning I was looking at something here really great and really good on euro US dollar, but I didn't place the trade when the price drop it here, okay? Because let's take a look. We had a breakout, okay? But after this breakout, personally, I wanted to see a retreat, maybe a correction or something. It has failed. It has failed here to stay above 1.0791, and yeah, it has dropped it here towards this former low, and here a strong, maybe in the short term, a strong imbalance, and on lower time frames. Let's take a look here. Personally, I've had a potential setup after registering only false breakdown with great separation, and yeah, unfortunately I didn't place the trade here because after reaching that level, yeah, personally I wanted to see something here, but we had only a reaction retreat, and yeah, a buy stop here above. A buy stop maybe here above this high. It would have been with a stop loss here, and maybe with a take profit here. It would have been really good, okay? Because here we had supply, so yeah, that's why a take profit here. Yeah, a buy stop here after retesting this zone support, demand zone, and a strong imbalance with a take profit here. It would have been really good. Also today, also I wanted sorry, I was looking also at a potential first of all, I was looking at a potential trade, maybe something like this, okay? Probably a buy stop here above this former high, and maybe with a stop loss here, but only if the price it would have stayed above 1.0791. Okay, this was invalidated unfortunately as well, but it would have been really good also with the buy stop here above this former high, maybe I don't know, 1.5 here, something like this. Yeah, so yeah, it's important to understand, guys, how to read the markets, or how to identify high probability trades. That's why I really wanted to talk about Euro USD as well. Yeah, so right now I don't think I have something here. Yeah, still in demand zones, demand areas, but no, I don't have something really good. Okay. Okay, British pound, US dollar. Ooh. Please take a look here. So 1 hour, strong supply reaction, but maybe only something on lower time frames, maybe here. Yesterday, but yeah, it seems that I've missed this opportunity here. Right now, test retest. Yeah, this false breakdown with great separation signaled the upside pressure. Yeah, but yeah, unfortunately I've missed maybe a potential opportunity here after this false breakdown great separation retest or something. Yeah, I'm looking for something else. Yeah, unfortunately you cannot catch every move on lower time frames. It's really hard to stay on the charts all day. Yeah, but I will come back with the new setups and trades later today or in the early morning. So Euro Japanese, sorry, US dollar Japanese yen. demand zone, but supply zones, areas, only if it will, maybe if it will drop, if the price comes back to retest here, it could, I will look for longs maybe. Right now, no, I don't want to sell it. Bitcoin, personally I've talked about this rising wedge pattern, I believe yesterday as well, and I talked about 20,634 support, only a very breakdown may signal potential downside movement, because here it has reached strong supply. Please take a look, only false breakouts, and probably a new lower low here could signal potential downside movement here in Bitcoin. And if the price of Bitcoin will drop, then the altcoins could drop as well, could lose ground, okay, could lose altitude, sorry. Yeah, it could only retest here, and the new lower low could signal potential downside movement and the corrective phase here in Bitcoin, because after this a strong rally, but the pressure, upside pressure is still strong. But I believe that new lower low could open the door for a potential downside movement here in Bitcoin. Yeah, Ethereum as well. Probably a new lower low could signal a potential sell-off, of course, if the price of Bitcoin will drop. Ripple is still there, is still above the upper medium line. If you have questions, guys, I'm still waiting. I'm still here for you guys. Maybe a potential flag, a potential upside continuation pattern. But a very breakout accumulation consolidation could signal potential further growth. Dogecoin versus the US dollar. Personally, I have an ascending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3 here. Demand zones, demand area. On Dogecoin, but no. Shiba versus the US dollar. Yeah, sell off after reaching that supply zone, and personally I have 38.2 uptrend line, false breakdown. Sorry, I'm a little tired. Signaling potential new bullish momentum here on Shiba. Yeah. Okay. US 100. Yeah, yesterday I've made a really big mistake. So US 100. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Yesterday I've made a really big mistake because I didn't place it because I've talked about a supply zone, supply area here. I've talked about the potential downside movement if the price will retest here. Yeah, we had an aggressive breakdown through 33,866, and the price, please take a look here. Whoa, amazing sell-off. Yeah, it was a mistake. I should have placed it probably a sell stop here right below that level with a stop loss here with a potential take profit. boom. Okay, but personally I thought that the price will retest before extending its sell-off. So yeah, this is the thing, guys. This was my my decision yesterday. Yeah, it would have been a really good good trade. Right now it has reached demand, so let's take a look. Demand zone. I will delete these because we had a strong imbalance here. So probably I will look for potential longs. Potential longs. Potential longs. US 30. So former low. Yeah, breakout. Sorry guys, nope. It has reached here. Unfortunately, these spikes yeah, signal the potential retreat sell-off in the on the lower time frames. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Maybe a potential sell-off, and if the price will come back here to retest, maybe I will still look for potential new longs or something here in US 30, only because if the dollar index will drop again, if it will come back down, then probably the US equities could rebound. Okay, probably. Silver. Yep. Retreat, and I want to retreat, as I've said. I want to retreat here in silver before maybe extending its growth. US oil. Yeah, my remaining in US oil closed at 80.00 psychological level for 83 pips profit. So my remaining, okay, as I've said, I wanted to manage my position right after the crude oil inventories came in yeah, far above expectations in the positive territory, which it was negative for the US oil. Thank you guys. Yeah, we'll update the group, the VIP group. So my remaining 30% in US oil closed at 80 points plus 83. Okay. Okay, it seems that we don't have questions. Personally, maybe I will come back later with something, or only in the morning. I'm waiting for silver to retreat. Yeah, if it will come back down towards this zone, whoa, it would be a really good buying zone, maybe after reaching the upper medium line here. The XY. The XY. Okay, it seems that you don't have questions. Yen basket as well. Yen basket. Yeah, probably I would like the price to come back towards this zone. We had this sideways movement here and then a strong imbalance. Okay, maybe I would like the price to reach it before turning to the upside, before I will look for potential for Japanese yen longs. Okay, something like this, Japanese yen longs. Yeah, potential rebound maybe on your Japanese yen. Okay, I was live here for 30 minutes. Really quick session for today. I've tried to identify new potential setups and trades here live, guys, for you. And let's take a look. A higher time frame. No. But probably coming back down here could bring us something, or I will look for potential Japanese yen longs, as I've said, after reaching this zone or something. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye. I will come back with the new setups and new trades. Bye bye.